Hey y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make a quick and easy, perfect for the weeknight meal. I've got a couple chicken breasts out. They're still frozen. We've been busy. I've got some water on the bowl. My skillet's hot and we're gonna throw in 2 chicken breasts, still frozen. I'm gonna put in some water and we will get some color on here, get these cooked up good, and we'll have a little bit of meal prep. I'm gonna put a little water in here. We need some seasonings. I'm gonna do salt and pepper so far. We're gonna cover with the lid. Alright y'all, my salt has run out. Fortunately a little bit falls out, but need to get this done. Just gonna fill her up. Oh boy. Some coarse sea salt. Beautiful. I just filled up my pepper. Alrighty, she's nice and full. Perfect. We've got some medium shells. I've got about half a box, so hopefully that's enough to feed the fam, at least for tonight. Use a silicone spoon, stir it up, and we'll let that cook for a few minutes. Chicken's still doing its thing. Alright y'all, my dishes are over here, so don't worry about them. Got a little stickage. Came right up. We got a little color, not too much. I'm gonna do a little air on that lid, just like the pasta. Got a couple minutes and I'm gonna kick up the heat on the chicken. Should be almost done, y'all. Alright, y'all, these noodles are done. Need to drain them real quick. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna check on the chicken in a minute, but I'm gonna start on this Alfredo sauce. We're making chicken Alfredo shells. 3 tablespoons of butter going in. I'm making a smaller batch. Probably still gonna be a little extra, but smaller. I actually might switch this chicken and the chicken and noodles, well, sauce now. This cast iron lid is super heavy. That cast iron lid is super heavy. We're gonna light the back. Perfect. Turn down the heat here. The butter's almost melted. We're gonna add in some garlic, a tablespoon or so. Oh man, it doesn't fit. Oh. I mean, I'd be here for it, but maybe a little less than that. We love garlic, but Jiminy, that's delicious. I'm gonna add in the pinch of nutmeg right now to cook in them oils. Nutmeg, a couple shakes of that to bring out the flavors. Give us a little heat on that. We'll keep that chicken going half covered. I love chicken Alfredo, y'all. Alright, y'all, this garlic and butter is bubbling now, so I'm gonna get some flour in there. I know this ain't authentic, but it's what we're doing. Might add a little more. That chicken, I'm starting to smell that chicken, so let's turn it down. Might need a little more liquid in here. Got a little color on her. Alright y'all, before I burn this garlic, we need 3/4 cup of heavy cream as well as milk. Get a little water in this skillet to deglaze the bottom of that pan. Yikes. We like to keep garlic and onion puree in cubes in the freezer. So using this jar garlic is pretty different. It's very chunky. Add some salt, black pepper. I don't mind seeing the black specks. I love black pepper, so it's just fine. Take the temp of this chicken. Still feels pretty soft. This big one's not done, but the little one's almost done. I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit on this sauce. Keep it moving. All right, y'all, we're really moving along here. This has thickened up nice. It's not too thick, but it's thickening up. I've got shaved parm here. Just gonna throw some of that in. I might cut the heat. I don't have Romano, so I'm just doing parm. And I'll check it for seasonings in a minute. It's getting nice and thick here. I just shaved this parm. I like keeping a wedge of it in the fridge. I'll just shave it as needed. I'm gonna cut the heat on this chicken and check the temperature. Sticking a little bit to the bottom, but it's got a nice color now. I'm gonna deglaze again quickly because that's hot. Woo, that's hot. The smaller one's done. We're gonna let that one cook a little longer. All right, y'all, this Alfredo's done. This chicken is probably done. Hopefully it's not like burnt too bad. I'm gonna probably have to deglaze a little bit. Let's check the temp. Son of a gun, I don't know, man. This one says it's still not done, so a little more water. Keep it going. Definitely don't want to eat raw chicken and get sick. All right, y'all, everything is done. I'm going to slice up this chicken breast. Try my best. Well, it ain't gonna be as cute. You know what? Let's try it. This is the worst slice chop I've ever done on a piece of chicken. Might be because this knife is like serrated or I'm cutting it the wrong way. Yeah, that's probably why. Anyway, this is crazy chicken. It's very good. That color gives it a nice flavor, but it does need salt. All right, I've got my noodles here. We're gonna just pour it right on in to the sauce. Usually I don't do that, but we're doing it, y'all. This is actually a lot of noodles, so glad I didn't make more. Look at this. That's perfect. And that sauce will get in all those little crevices. Beautiful. All right, y'all, let's plate it up. It's time to eat. This is a quick and easy, can be definitely budget friendly, just a simple pasta dinner. I didn't have time to do my broccoli, otherwise it's one of my favorites as well. I love broccoli. Pour the chicken on here. Juices and all. And it's time to eat, y'all. Got a little bit of this Parm Romano Asiago. Top it with a little bit of that. A little salt. And a little black pepper. And we're digging in, y'all. We appreciate y'all for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think down below. Share with your friends and family. And we really love hearing y'all in the comments. Bon appetit. Check out our channel for more. Thanks for watching, y'all.